Good afternoon friends, welcome to Nifty Times Now. In today's video, we will discuss about a new topic, Fibonacci Retracement. Before I go into the today's topic, let us have a small recap of our previous session. Previous session, we talked about the round-off number. Round-off number is important for an intraday trade as well as for the positional trade. So let us see the round-off numbers. Like we said, the round-off numbers, I'm just going into the chart. We are seeing like the round off number is 51,000. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, you take the Bank Nifty 51,000. The next round off number is 49,000. 1,000 points. This is the round off. So previous to this, we have discussed about previous day IE low, okay, which is the constant level for an intraday trader to take a decision. So we combined all these things as one strategy. So it will help for an intraday trader to take a wise decision at the decision points and enter into the trade. So last time we discussed about how to plot the round off levels. I can even touch up in some broker platforms. In some broker platforms, we get to those round offs get automatically plotted. So I'm using a trader view. If you see, like there is an indicator called rounded levels. If I click on this rounded levels, intramoto, okay, I'm using that. So what happened is no need for you to go and manually plot it. So when I enable this, it gets automatically plotted. So I can show the settings of it. It is I'm putting 20,000. What happened is for 1,000 I'm putting 20,000 means every 1,000 level. So in case of Bank Nifty, we require 1,000 as the level. So I put as 20,000 step size. Okay. So automatically at 1,000 intervals it gets automatically plotted. So the purple one is on the above. This is the current market price. Above it is showing as purple and it is a pale green. Okay. Same way for Nifty also you can see like I'm just enabling those things. So automatically getting plotted. We also see how to mark the day high and low manually, as well as there is an indicator. I said previous day. You can search in your platforms, okay? Or else if you're not getting those indicators, you have to manually plot it. It saves our time. So in Nifty, what is the setting I did? I did is 10,000. So 10,000 means every what you call 500 levels is getting automatically plotted. So now we come back to today's session. So we want to discuss about the Fibonacci retracement. So before going to the topic, let us understand what is Fibonacci retracement. So I'm just taking a Fibonacci retracement chart. So what they are saying here is, so the Fibonacci is one terminology or algorithms. Okay, they're saying like from one bottom level to another level, that is from one level to another level. Can be, we consider this 0% is the bottom level and the 100% is on the top level. So it's one thing from low to high. Okay, so when you draw a Fibonacci from this level to 100%, they have 4 levels: 23.6%, 38.2%, 50.0%, 61.8%. Okay, so what happens is when there is a movement between from 0 to this 100 level, there will be retracement at 23.6, 38.6. The market will respect these levels and go as a retracement. So let us see how we can plot this in our chart. So this is the Fibonacci retracement detail. Okay, so now we go to the Nifty. I will take the Nifty chart. Okay, I'll just taking the Nifty chart. I am disabling all these indicators. Now it's a plain chart. Okay, so in this what they are saying, it is from one swing. Okay, they are saying from one swing, like from this swing to this swing. Okay, from high this to low, there is a Fibonacci drawn. So when you draw from this level to this level, this is. So when we draw from this level to this, the Fibonacci may change. Okay, so we see like in this video, okay, in this chart. So when a half an hour time frame, when the market starts half an hour, you'll have these swings. Okay, I'm just marking this Fibonacci. So this was the first candle. Okay, so there was a swing happened, then it went up. Correct. So when I want to draw a Fibonacci for the first 15 minutes, I'm getting one swing. So one swing from year to year. Okay, this is one swing. Okay, so now you see similar to that 0, 23, 38.2, 50, 61 point, and also added a 70.86. So these are repaints from this to this level. The market went to that level again and it coming back. Now what happened is it is keeping the market is going down further. Now the new swing has formed. So I'm just dragging, and to bring to that level, my Fibonacci levels are getting changed. Now market has come to this level. So now I keep on dragging. Okay. So when you keep on moving, your Fibonacci level gets changed. So what we were discussing in our previous videos, we are seeing a strategy where we have to have a levels for a decision point. We should have a constant level. So okay, constant level, what is previous day high low is a constant level we discussed. Okay, and even we can use pivot point level. So for an intraday trader, when I want to use a Fibonacci, if I keep using on the same intraday chart, the levels are keep on changing. Okay, at some point after it's come down, so the levels are getting, so these levels are getting changed, so it is not constant. So we tried to draw this Fibonacci on the previous day IN. So that is what I'm trying to say. When this they said like every swing changes, the Fibonacci level will change. So for an intraday trader, when you want to use this Fibonacci tool, we should use it on the constant level. So our constant level is what? Previous day high low. So previous day high low, I'm just deleting this. We just enable the previous day high low. Can you see this? So I'm taking, okay, so how can I draw the Fibonacci for the 16th? So we are in the 14th is completed. So now we know this is your, what we call, we take this point, okay. For this date, 13th, the high is this and the low is this. Previous day high and lows. When I draw a Fibonacci, we can draw the Fibonacci on the day start itself. Okay, this is the previous day high low. So when I draw this from this point to this point, okay, this point to this point, can you see this? So I am getting these levels. This is the 0 level, this is the 100 level, 100%. So I am extending to the next day. So can you see this? The market comes and respects to that level. So we always see there is a percentage from 0 to 100. There is levels 23, 0.38, 2.5, 0.68, 0.76. Basically in the center levels is called the golden ratio, where the market comes and respect. If you see, whenever it is on previous day high, the market will not sustain like it is. It keeps on falling immediately. Touches that level, immediately it falls. It falls and it comes and trade most of the time at the golden ratio. Here only the consolidation will take place. Okay, the accumulation. Then after that, it will decide whether I have to go further down or further up. So this is what the Fibonacci retracement helps us. So that's what I am explaining. So we are more concerned about not on this 0.786 or 23. Let us remove those levels. Okay, so I am just in the settings. You can remove this 2386. This you can take. Okay, so you have these three levels. So now you can see I'm just even disabling the high low. You will come to know these are the levels. So this is the high and this is the low. Okay, for this I drew a Fibonacci. So these middle levels is called this level. Actually the 0.5 is your center point. Okay, from the high or low and the golden ratio, any for discussion, any directional change will take place here. So this is the Fibonacci tool. We can manually draw these levels based on the previous day high low. Okay, or else there are ready-made what you call tools also, ready-made indicators also, where the Fibonacci will get automatically plotted based on the previous day high low. So now here I am manually doing. So manually is you can draw a Fibonacci from any levels. From this, say I'm drawing a Fibonacci from this level to this top. See, this is the top, this is the previous. So for this date, 13th, this is your previous day high and this is the low. When I draw, it comes to the next day, I can extend. How many days I can extend. So these are the center points. Can you see here the market is getting consolidated. So even we can even keep the 0.5. If I want to keep only the 0.5, I am very concerned about only these golden ratios 0.5. When I do this 0.6 also, can you see this level is the one is which is in green is your mid golden ratio point. Hope I've explained the Fibonacci retracement tool. In order to do it automatically, like it is manually, when I am to draw this Fibonacci from the previous day high low, there is in this trader view I am having a tool called FibFans. When I enable this, can you see this? It automatically plots that 0.50%. So now I'm enabling the previous day high low. Can you see this? So what happened is, can you see this? This point, this center point is of this day, 12th day ka high and low. This is a point. Okay, I am just only doing a manual also. Previous day, this is the previous day. From year to year, can you see? I mark it exactly, that green line is coming and plotting there. So instead of doing manual, we have a indicator itself. It's called the fib fans on PHL. So you can use can check in your trading platform whether you have this automatically or fib is drawn on previous day IN. So it is called PHL, previous day I low. Okay, I'm just showing the settings also. If you can see the settings, it shows like, okay, the style is your bottom center level, I meant it, that is a 50 percentage, and rest all you can disable left fans. If I'm using this fib hands on previous day low, I'm plotting this Fibonacci by what? If I put top level and center level, just enable, you can see I'm getting those 0.36 and 0.61 levels also. I don't want that, so I want only this level. I'm keeping this. Hope this video helps you to understand about the Fibonacci retracement. In next video we'll discuss about how we can use this Fibonacci as well as the previous and how it's going to help as an intraday trader to take an entry. Thank you guys.